Today we are going to cook lobster. Lobster, we're cooking lobster cake, lobster tail meat. This is pre-cooked. And we're going to, I already wrapped them right here in our egg roll wraps, plant-based, with cut garlic, carrots, onions, and cabbage. And this is our dipping sauce. I love garlic with apple cider vinegar. And when I was growing up in the seashore, fronting our house, I always see seaweeds. And the seaweed is really, really very nutritious. And so this is the finished product right here that I cooked in our mini griddle. Let's see if the others, excuse me please, this is almost done. Look at that. The egg roll wraps looks super crunchy. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom are in this our gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Juanita de Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And all my 22 books, yes, 22, including Mom and Chef, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com, and my mom's cookbook right here in front of you. In the book cover, that's my beloved mom, former beauty queen, only girl in her family, and the first woman ever elected public official in our hometown, and a top-notcher, as well as my dad. My beloved father was a USA stenographer, typist for so many years. And then when my dad retired, my dad was twice down elected leader. And he signed, my dad signed the public school budget in the school where my beloved mom founded with other government officials. And this is where I first taught as a new school teacher and more. And there's my beloved mom's cookbook, available in ebook, Kindle, paperback format as well. Ebook means you're going to upload my mom's cookbook and all my 22 books very quickly in minutes in your computer. And so you'll notice there's a Juanita there. That's a product. And so that's my beloved mom in front of our kitchen when we were growing up. And now we're going to taste this. Let's see if our mini griddle, my mini, this is, I think this is almost ready. Look at that. I want it a little more crunchy. And this is how I cut my garlic because I want it crunchy a little bit. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, delicious, crunchy? Come on and eat. You're invited to my table. But first of all, we're going to bless our food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food, make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought about self-sustain. And so it is done, beloved I am. So come on and eat. Oh my goodness, this is super delicious. My beloved parents used to own a huge fishing boat named after St. Anthony because St. Anthony saved them when they were newlyweds. And I wrote all the miracles in my other books, Missing People, Animals, Things, Go Joe Anthony. Available at Amazon as well. And come on and eat. You could also use ketchup if you would like. And let me stabilize my camera so we could sprinkle a little bit of ketchup and yellow mustard. This is also good for making sandwich or hamburger, just like so. And so it's easy. Our lobster tail is super yum. And let's see here. Come on and eat. You're all invited my table. And let's see if this is good to go. Let me, all right. Let's see if, oh wow, look at that. Come on and eat. You're all invited my table. This is super yum. Crunchy, full of nutrition. And I like our griddle because you don't have to put any oil in it. And it's so easy. Look at that. You could put, oh, excuse me please. You could put this as a sandwich. Use this as a sandwich filling. Then, let's see here. Let's take a bite. For you and me and all of us. Let's put in our dipping sauce. I love dipping sauce of garlic and apple cider vinegar. And then we could dip it with our ketchup and yellow mustard. For you and me and all of us, yum. The taste of the lobster and the garlic and the carrots all blending into one, and the cabbage. Let's dip one more for ketchup and for mustard. For you and me and all of us, super yum. Wow, this is so crunchy. The taste of the seafood, lobster, is really, really super yum. For you and me and all of us, ketchup and yellow mustard, yum. Try this. You're gonna love this as I do. Let's see this. This is ready. Come on and eat. Wow. This is super delicious. Come on and eat. Join by my table. There's more than enough for all of us. And let's see here. Oh, wow. Mini bites. Our lobster cake lumpia. This is really good. All you got is a mini griddle minus the oil. Wow, we have a lot to enjoy. Our lobster, crab, mini lumpia. Come on and eat. Lobster cake, mini lumpia. Oh my goodness. This is super flavorful, super yum, and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora. Excuse me, please. Yummy to the tummy. Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSCD.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. And I would like to show you, let me stabilize my camera. I just want to show you, to invite you to have a 10% discount using my name, Juanita. You could order online at www.allfreshseafood.com, or you could order over the phone here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am, 1-833-GOT-CRAB. And you will get 10% discount using my name, Juanita, as your coupon code. Enjoy. Oh my goodness. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. Wow. This is crunchy, hot and crunchy, super delicious. You could put this as your sandwich filling in your bagels, in your lobster burger. Oh my. Kain na po tayo. In the Tagalog language, that means, come on and eat. Napakasarap. In the Tagalog language, that means, in English, super flavorful, super yum. And in Tagalog, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. In English, happy cooking. This is super delicious. You're gonna love this aside too. Enjoy. And remember, this is made of cabbage, carrots, garlic, onions, and then you wrap it in your plant-based egg roll wraps. And then you could use your griddle so that you don't have to fry it. Or it's up to you if you would like to fry it. You're the chef. You're in charge and control of your kitchen. This is super delicious. Come on and eat. And of course, this is made from lobster meat. This is pre-cooked, so it's easy to prepare this. All you have to do is to dice the cabbage, the carrots, the garlic, and the onions, and then wrap it in your plant-based egg roll wraps. And you have our lobster crab that you could use as your lobster hamburger or lobster burger, excuse me please, or eat this as it is, or you could eat this with rice as well. This is super flavorful, super delicious. We're gonna love this as I do. Happy cooking. Enjoy. Yummiest. See you in the next video. I would like to give my love, light, and gratitude blessings first of all to our I am God presence pulsating in my heartbeats, in your heartbeats, in all humanity's heartbeats. And also I would like to give my love, light, and gratitude to my beloved mom and dad and my adorable brothers and sisters and their own families, and all of you, my fellow humanity, my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comment, and subscribe and follow and watch. Thank you all so very much. Please subscribe if you have not already done so, and I appreciate you all deep in my heart. See you in the next video. Blessings of Christ, love and light to us all. We are all gods and goddesses, kings and queens. Look at these beautiful blessings from our I am God presence. Happy cooking. Yum. Enjoy.